In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning visual design using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to sharpen your skills, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, allowing you to unleash your creativity and get the best out of Canva's design tools. First things first, we need to log into our Canva account. Head over to canva.com and enter your login details. If you haven't created an account yet, it's free and incredibly easy to set up. Once you're in, let's start by creating a new design. For today's project, we'll be working with a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is perfect for a variety of social media platforms. Now let's spice things up a bit by adding a glitter background to our design. On the left side of the Canva interface, you'll notice a menu. Click on the Elements tab, and in the search bar, type in glitter background. This will present you with numerous glittery options to choose from. Scroll down to the Photos section to see more choices, and when you're ready, click See All to view the full selection of glitter backgrounds available. Once you've found a background that you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. It's a small detail, but it can really make your design pop. After setting your background, let's move on to adding some text. Go back to the left side menu and locate the Apps section. Here, search for font or directly look for a font frame that will add a creative touch to your typography. Once you've chosen your font frame, open it and think about the message or text you want to convey in your design. Type this text in using Canva's text tool. Keep in mind that you can always click back to your glitter image to adjust it if needed, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly with your overall vision. You might want to personalize the text by playing around with different font styles. Canva provides a wide range of fonts to suit every design need, so feel free to experiment until you find one that fits the mood of your design perfectly. If the initial design isn't quite hitting the mark, don't worry. You can add more to it by using the Add to Design feature in Canva. It allows you to tweak your work without starting over. And if your background is obscuring any part of your text, you can easily remove or modify it. Finally, adjust the font size to ensure that your text stands out against the glitter background. Resize and reposition as necessary until everything looks harmonious and eye-catching. Once you're satisfied, your design is ready to be downloaded or shared directly from Canva. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective method to create captivating designs with Canva. Don't forget to explore and make use of all the awesome features Canva has to offer. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing!